Hello guys, I will show you all my car collections. First, my Ferrari 5999XX. Next is my Lamborghini Huracan and another Lamborghini Huracan and a McLaren P1 and a Bugatti Bolide and a Bugatti Mistral, a Bugatti Divo, a Pagani Zonda HP Barchera, a Bugatti Bolide again, they're just the same, and a Koenigsegg Jesko Attack, and a Bugatti Vision GT, and another Koenigsegg Jesko Attack, and another Bugatti Vision GT. They are just the same, but this one is RC, this is not RC, that's a model. And I upload a video. I upload a video about this. It's a horror one. And a Bugatti Divo, a Lamborghini Sian, a Veneno, a Supra MK4, a Lamborghini Aventador SP Coupe, another Lamborghini Aventador SP Coupe, a LaFerrari, a Lamborghini SP Coupe again, and a McLaren W1 and a Miata, a Mazda MX-5 Miata. Legends Tour. I have all Hot Wheels collection cars. I got a Mustang and a Ford GT Racing and a Dodge Charger and a Lamborghini Aventador and a Ford GT. I got the Koenigsegg Jesko Attack here. It's a Hot Wheels one. It's here. I bought this one. I got many money. And this is a Porsche Spider and a Mercedes-Benz AMG GT. And this guy is a Nissan Sirifo, and that's a Chevrolet Corvette, a Ferrari, a Mercedes-Benz AMG again, and another Ford Mustang Roadster and a Dodge Charger, Corvette, a Honda, another Chevrolet Ford Mustang.
Alright.
Another, and I got this from this guy.
What's
I
that?
call it the Grub. Look, the Grub.
Okay.
And I got a Batmobile that can fly on your face.